Hello, automotive enthusiasts. Have you ever felt that a car is not just a means of transportation, but also a reflection of your lifestyle? Renault understands that, and they're back with an innovation that's ready to redefine the urban crossover concept. Introducing the 2025 Renault Captur, a perfect blend of style, technology, and comfort, ready to accompany your every adventure on city streets. The 2025 Renault Captur comes with a more modern and bold design, ready to steal attention at every street corner. At the front, redesigned LED headlights and Renault's new light signature give the car a more aggressive and futuristic look. Chrome details, the new radiator grille, and sporty air intakes on the bumper further enhance the car's charisma. From the side, sharp lines and a rising belt line give a dynamic impression to its appearance. New 18-inch alloy wheels and various color combinations highlight the Captur's uniqueness. At the rear, LED stoplights and a sportier bumper complete the car's modern style. As soon as you enter the 2025 Captur's interior, you're welcomed by premium materials and a spacious environment. Renault has created a completely new atmosphere with high-quality soft-touch surfaces, leather seats, and ambient lighting. The center console features a 12-inch digital display and a 10-inch multimedia system. The new Google integrated infotainment system provides a voice assistant, AI-based navigation, and real-time traffic updates. The fully digital instrument panel behind the steering wheel clearly displays important information during the drive. The rear seats offer ample leg and headroom, ensuring additional comfort for passengers. The modular seating system allows the trunk capacity to be adjusted according to your needs. Imagine, you can bring all your luggage for a weekend getaway or monthly shopping without any problems. Renault introduces more powerful and efficient engine options for the Captur this time. Under the hood, there are several choices, including hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions. Let's take a closer look. 2L Turbo Hybrid, 140 HP. The ideal balance for urban driving, providing exceptional fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. 1.6L Plug-in Hybrid, 160 HP. A combination of electric and petrol for high fuel efficiency, allowing you to drive further with lower emissions. 0.3L Turbo Petrol, 155 HP. Maximum performance and agile handling, providing an enjoyable driving experience on every journey. The new Captur, with its full hybrid version, consumes less fuel and contributes to environmental sustainability. The E-Tech automatic transmission and adjustable driving modes make the car an ideal choice for both city and highway driving. You'll feel the difference in every turn of the wheel. With an estimated starting price between $23,000 and $25,000 in Europe, the 2025 Renault Captur offers excellent value for the features and technology it provides. More powerful and hybrid versions may exceed $30,000, but this investment is worth the driving experience you get. So prepare yourself to experience the new urban crossover lifestyle with the 2025 Renault Captur. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, AutomagzHR, for the latest information on other exciting cars. See you in the next video.